today, and when I say I've been waiting for this to arrive, I mean it. I just got the Caraway Minis Duo in cream, and I'm adding it to my existing 7-piece cookware set. Plus, I picked up the magnetic lid organizer, and I can't wait to show you how everything looks together. Got my nice little Caraway. There we go. If you've never ordered from Caraway before, the packaging alone is a full experience. It's clean, plastic free, and so thoughtfully designed. It really feels like you're unboxing something special.
I got the minis. I also got packaging. We got the lid storage, and then we got the minis. So let's open the minis first. This is heavy. Ooh, good things coming. Smaller sizes. I want you to see this.
So I've had the 7-piece Caraway set for a while now, and this Duo really completes this collection. Everything stacks neatly, the minis fit perfectly into my counter setup, and it just feels so calm and intentional having pieces that all work together visually and functionally. I love to be able to reach for one of these when I'm just making something small. It makes the whole process feel easier and a little more joyful. So inside the box are 2 pans, the 8-inch fry pan and the 8-inch mini saucepan. These are part of the Minis Duo, and they're the perfect size for single servings, quick breakfast, or heating up leftovers. Basically, if you're cooking for one or just want less cleanup, these are so ideal. And I had to get them in cream to match my original Caraway set. I love how calming and neutral it looks in my kitchen.
Mini pot, and then I got the mini frying pan. I need, oh, it's so cute! It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, and then the storage part, which is magnetic.
Like the rest of the Caraway's cookware, both pieces are ceramic coated, non-toxic, and oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. No Teflon, no weird coatings, just smooth, even heat, and super easy cleanup. These pans are also induction compatible, which is perfect if you've got a new stovetop or if you're planning ahead for a future kitchen upgrade.
So cute. Okay, let's purchase one. I got the lid slot that I need.
Now let's talk about the magnetic lid rack, because I'm so glad I added this to my order. It holds up to 4 lids, and the magnets keep everything snug and stable. You can tuck it in a drawer or cabinet or leave it out on the counter. It's slim, sleek, and honestly makes my cookware storage look 10 times more organized. If your lids are usually sliding around or taking up way too much space in your drawers like mine were, this is such a smart little upgrade.
Basically, oh wait, no. They go this way. Yes, exactly what I needed. And then this one will go this way. Oh, cute! I love it. I can't wait to freaking use these. Now I gotta put them in the right space on the counter.
So that is my Caraway Mini Duo and magnetic lid rack unboxing, and now everything is officially in its place. I love how the full set comes together in my kitchen. It's functional, minimal, and honestly just feels good to look at. Let me know if you have any questions about the minis or the setup. I'm happy to share how they hold up with daily use. Thanks for watching.